Here we are, everybody, at the star lighting in Colorado, in a small town. Christmas is here. Let's check out the decorations before we get our dinner. They're getting our dinner ready here. We saw the menu, 2 items, pulled pork and brisket. So brisket was the winner. And
oh, I know you were looking for that.
yum, yum, yum. Lots of food. The price wasn't too bad. It was $16. And that is dinner for tonight at the Star Lighting. Merry early Christmas to everybody.